morning, everyone. Today we are going to learn about the moon and how it changes its shape. The moon does not have its own light. It is bright because it reflects sunlight. We see different shapes of moon every night. These are called phases of moon.
A full moon is when we can see the whole moon in the sky. A new moon is when we cannot see the moon at all. From one full moon to next full moon, it takes about 30 days. From full moon to half moon, it takes around 14 or 15 days.
This is the full moon. Moon shines big, round and bright in the night sky. We can see the whole moon in the sky. This is the half moon. We can see exactly half of the moon lit up.
This is the crescent moon. Only a small part of the moon is seen like a banana shape. And this is the gibbous moon. We can see more than half, but not full moon. It comes before the full moon or after the full moon.
This is the new moon. We can't see the moon at all because the moon will be between the sun and the earth. Let me ask you some questions. Why does the moon changes its shape? Because it moves around the earth, so we see different parts of it. Does the moon shine by itself? No, it shines by taking light from the sun. Thank you.